Hi, I'm Dr. Jigisha Tripathy, ENT and head and neck surgeon, and today we are going to bust some myths in ENT. Myth number 1, snoring. When we see someone snoring, we often think they are in such sound sleep and feel so jealous, but this is wrong. Snoring is actually a sign of insufficient oxygen reaching your lungs. Why does this happen? There could be any obstruction right from your nose all the way up to your lungs which does not allow the air to go through easily. Just imagine blowing through a nice wide pipe. The pipe becomes narrower and you blow through it, it makes a sound. It makes a whistling sound. Similarly, when the air passage is narrow because of any obstruction, it could be a deviated septum, it could be a growth, it is going to cause snoring. So the next time you find your partner snoring, don't feel jealous, bring him to an ENT doctor.